Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how to sell Canva templates and make over $1,000 per month. This is a great way to make some passive income, and it's something that anyone can do, even if you're not a graphic designer. What are Canva templates? Canva templates are pre-made designs that you can use to create your own graphics, social media posts, marketing materials, and more. They're a great way to save time and money, and they can help you create professional-looking designs even if you don't have a lot of design experience. How to sell Canva templates? There are a few different ways to sell Canva templates. You can sell them on your own website or blog, or you can sell them on a marketplace like Etsy, Creative Market, or Design Bundles. If you're selling on your own website, you'll need to set up an online store and create a payment system. You can also use a service like Gumroad to make it easy to sell digital products. If you're selling on a marketplace, you'll need to create an account and upload your templates. Most marketplaces have their own set of rules and regulations, so be sure to read them carefully before you start selling. How to make over $1,000 per month? The amount of money you can make by selling Canva templates will depend on a few factors, including the quality of your templates, the niche you choose, and the amount of traffic you can drive to your products. If you want to make over $1,000 per month, you'll need to create high-quality templates that are in demand. You'll also need to promote your products effectively so that people can find them. Here are some tips for creating high-quality Canva templates. Use high-resolution images and graphics. Make sure your templates are well-designed and easy to use. Target a specific niche. Test and improve your templates over time. Here are some tips for promoting your Canva templates. Create a website or blog where you can showcase your templates. Promote your templates on social media. Use paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with other creators to promote each other's products. Selling Canva templates is a great way to make some passive income. If you're willing to put in the work, you can easily make over $1,000 per month. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.